Okay guys, we're gonna mix up our cornbread for our dressing. I've got 2 cups of plain meal. Now this, I don't have my Alabama King. I do like Alabama King. This one is Hoover's fine sifted white. Fine sifted white. And you can make yellow. Guys, it doesn't matter. We've just always used white. I've got a 1/2 cup of flour, because I don't have the cornmeal mix now. Because when you get a mix, guys, it already has your baking powder and your stuff in it, okay? Now I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 half teaspoons, so that'd be 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We use Clabber Girl around here. Then we'll use 2 eggs. Hey, my oven's telling me it's hot. Hey. Okay, oven. Okay, oven. I don't like shell, and I don't like the idea of getting any shell, so I always break my eggs into something and then pour them into what I need. Okay, I need my neck rack. I got to get it ironed so I can have it, guys. And then I salt to taste, so I'm not gonna just salt yours to taste. I don't like my cornbread to be non-salty. Now let's just mix this up a little bit, and then we'll add milk to see where we need it. And I do use milk, guys. I don't use, my mama, once in a while she used buttermilk if she had it. I don't really know why mama didn't have it. She had it some, but not a whole lot. So we use milk. Still tastes good. I'm going to say that's about 3/4 of a cup. About 3/4 of a cup. Let's see. And I do, when I make it for my dressing, I make it not runny but loose compared to when I make pone bread. Pone bread, you know, is when, like me and Mo and Wilder made, when you have little loaves of cornbread without having a loaf thing. Okay, see, that's a little stiff. That's even too stiff for cornbread, actually. And I use 2 eggs, so we'll say that's a whole cup of milk now. I used 2 eggs, guys, because they were smaller. Our large eggs were too expensive, and I didn't have any of Sonny's. And I don't, they keep eggs over there, and I know they know where they're at, the fresh ones or the whatever ones or whatever. Bought me some so that I would know. Okay, that's about the right consistency. See, like that. Or it's just looser. And we're making a small, I'm going to make a small thing of cornbread dressing. Now, Blue does eat cornbread dressing. Me, Blue, Dusty, and Sonny. And that's it. Nobody else eats it. So, let me get my pan out. I do have it in the oven. It's got a little bit of grease, about a tablespoon of grease. So it's good and hot. Like I said, I'm making just a small one. And you'll hear it sizzle, should. Yeah. Because I like, goodness, I like crispy crust in my dressing. So I don't mind it being crispy on the bottom. It gives that good brown pieces in your dressing. Goodness gracious, it is popping. Popping today. There you go. This pan's almost too big for me to hold. I was about to drop it into the hot grease. That wouldn't have been good. But there you go, guys. And I'm going to put it on 400 for probably about 40 minutes or so. You just have to watch it. You want it good and brown and done. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 400, and then we'll be back later. Okay guys, when your cornbread gets done, nice and ready, go ahead and flip it out just like that. And you have you some good old cornbread. Let's see. This one ready to cool down and wait on our dressing. So we're getting close.